What's up, guys? So this is going to be a little bit of a longer video, but it's extremely valuable. It is me basically showing you how to create a AI lead qualification agent. This can either be done inbound or outbound, so definitely take your time, watch this video, because like I said, it's going to provide a lot of value for you guys. And I'm also going to be providing a prompt generator for you guys that will basically perfect the prompt to make sure that the qualification and appointment setter agent comes out the exact way you guys want it for either you or your clients. So just watch it and let's just get into it. So this is Synflow. It is, in my opinion, the best inbound, outbound calling agent software out there right now, because the other ones are a little bit more glitchy and there's a lot less functionalities that you can do with them, a lot of less actions. So I feel like Synflow is, like I said, the better one. It's pretty consistent with everything. Like I said, the prompt is a huge part of it, but that's why I'm giving you guys a prompt tool so that you guys can create a perfected prompt script for your agent so it has very little mishaps, if any at all. So like I said, this is for one of my previous clients that I made. So let's just go through it. Well, first I want to start off, these are all everything you can do. So this is basically where you put in all the information. So let's go to this one. You add their websites, their site maps, any data that they have that you want to implement, you can do that there. As of actions, we can do send SMS, real-time call booking. So basically whenever you're on the call, if a lead wants to book an appointment with your guys' sales teams or wherever it is, they can do that on the call. It would recommend dates and times. We can do live call transfers. So if a lead wants to talk to a sales rep on the spot, they can do that as well. Information extractor, which is, this can be emails, phone numbers, names, anything you want. And then custom actions, any different automations that you guys want to have, you guys can do that as well. And then the phone numbers, this section is where you will have all your paid for phone numbers that the AI agent would use. So like, let's say you want to buy a number, these are some of the numbers that they that they have listed for you. You can also go to Twilio and buy some numbers yourself and link them here. And then Synflow also has all these integrations, so you can integrate it with your guys' CRM, so that's probably high level, use automations, create software like SaaS platforms with Bubble, a bunch of different tools. It's a lot of different integrations that they have, and they also have their API key, which you can copy that and connect to whatever you guys want. But let's now go into the assistant. Like I said, this is a demo bot, but essentially you would have all your information here, like total calls, minutes used, call duration, all that good stuff, all that data, which is important for you guys. So that would be on the dashboard page. So when we go to configure, so basically that's where you would start off. So here you'll put the name. So we named it Blue Street's AI Assistant. Then you can go here, choose whatever voice you want for it. You can also use 11 Labs to create your own voice if you want, if none of these are good for you. So let's just test them out. We have a Phoebe.
Thank you for calling Blue Street Exotics. This is Alex, Blue Street's AI assistant speaking.
Yeah. There's a bunch of different ones that you guys can use. These are the ones in the platform, so if you just want to use it, just click it and pop up. So I'm using Mark right now. I think it's the best, and he just sounds the most professional, especially for the industry that this company's in. You have to be more calm and relaxed and laid back. There's a bunch of different languages that you can choose from, which is the good thing. So if you guys are not just based in the US, you can use any of these right here. And I'm pretty sure they're going to keep adding more, so be on the lookout for that as well, if you're from a different country, of course. And this is where you would choose what type of LLM you want your agent to use. So right now they have Synflow and GPT-4o, but sometimes they change it up. Sometimes they have Claude and some other ones, but it really just changes. So I'm pretty sure if you get the upgraded account, then you'll probably have more different LLMs for you to use. And so the custom greeting right here, this is where the first thing the AI agent says when they pick up the phone. Oh, so I do want to mention this is an inbound calling agent. So this is basically if a lead calls a company, then this would pick up on the phone. There's also the outbound, where let's say a lead fills out a form on a website, and then the agent will extract that information from the lead form and then give them a call and be like, oh, hello, I saw you're interested in, and so on and so forth. But this is the inbound. So The first line is it would say, "Thank you for calling Blue Street Exotics. This is Alex, Blue Street's AI assistant speaking. May I have your name and email, please?" So like I said, that's the first line. This is where you would add business terms to just inform the AI agent the most common terms that you guys use in your business, and with talking to clients, talking to leads, talking to your team. So a lot of these were exotic cars, rentals, reservations, Miami, delivery, white club. It could be anything, and you can add as many as you want, so there's no limit to that. Then we have the patience level, which is how fast the AI agent will respond to the questions or conversations with the person on the phone. So I always keep it on low because you want the most human and realistic time. But if you want medium, the higher you go, the more efficient it is, and not more efficient, but the more consistent it is, and it doesn't really make mistakes. But like I said, we have the prompt generator that makes the calling agent almost perfect prompt wise, so we can use those speeds. And then also GPT-4o is a very good LLM that is up to date and really focuses on having a streamlined conversation. So then here we're gonna go to prompt. This right here is the prompt that we've made. Let me show you guys how we made this prompt. So this is the prompt generator that we use. Basically what you do is you would add your agent's name. So mine is Mark, so I'm gonna put Mark. And then business context is just like, what does your business do, what makes you unique, and who are your customers and what do you sell. So basically we just add, whatever you guys do, whatever your business is, you just basically add it. You have to add context to it. Then you would do target audience, who are you guys trying to reach out to, who are you guys trying to market to. So this is the offers and qualification criteria, where you basically just list the offer that you want your AI agent to give out when they're on the phone, and like what they're trying to sell to the lead on the phone. If you guys have any FAQs on your website, or if you just have your FAQs jotted down somewhere, you can add those here. This is a very important thing, because when, let's say, the lead's on the phone with the agent, if any common questions come up around that you would normally get on your business, the AI agent would have this to go and look at to make sure that it gives the right response, and it's using your guys' tailored brand to answer the questions and provide the correct information. So that's very important, so just keep that in mind. And then down here is just like how you want the AI agent to talk. So you can make it persuasive, luxurious, kind, happy, energetic. You can do etc. There's a bunch of different, however you want your agent to talk on the phone, that's how you can do it. And then after that, you basically would just click run tool, and this would create the generated prompt, and then you would use that prompt to go to here, and then you would have to tweak it a little bit. There's a couple things that you might want to change, but I basically copied and pasted it because it was almost perfect. So you don't, unless you really want to change something, you can. But you would come here, copy and paste, and this was ours. And then whenever you want to, like I said, the knowledge base right here, you can click add knowledge base and then use that, save, and then it would provide the website information to the prompt. So this is basically where the agent gets trained on your website and then on what you want it to do. As for actions, like I said before, we talked about earlier, the SMS, real-time booking, call transfer, information extractor, and custom actions. This is here. This is where you would add to your agent. Deployment. This is where you would add it to either a phone number or your CRM or your website. You can automate it with Zapier, APIs, different things. But this is where you would basically deploy the agent and where you would want it to go. That's up to you guys. And then calls is here. This is where you have all the calls, tested, failed. Like I said, this is the demo, so these ones don't really count, but then we did a couple. And so yeah, you would basically get all that. Basically, when you would call, you have a conversation with it, and as soon as you're done calling, a transcript of the call would come out, and you can use that to get the lead information or whatever you want to do with that. So basically that is the AI assistant. These are almost perfected, and if you really want to save money and really want to create a automated system in your guys' business using artificial intelligence, then I would highly recommend you learn about these AI calling agents, AI appointment setters, lead qualification agents, to, like I said, better help your business and let your business grow by automating the lead nurturing aspect. This is a huge part of it. If you guys are interested, reach out to me. I'll gladly help you guys build this out for you. My team will as well. Or if not me, just do some research for yourself. I'm gonna be providing the Relevance AI tool that you guys could use to create that prompt. Like I said, make sure you focus on tweaking the prompt and making everything perfect, because the prompt, it's the heart of these agents. So I'm gonna provide that for you guys, but if it's not me, like I said, go either do your research, hire someone else out, and go ahead. But I hope this helped you guys out today. It's my first official tutorial YouTube video and LinkedIn video, so just be on the lookout for more things like this. AutoWait AI, which is my company, we're focusing on the outbound appointment setters. We also do the Instagram appointment setters as well, and different AI automations that can help you guys out, businesses out. So don't be afraid to reach out to us. We will gladly help you guys. All our information will be down below. Other than that, I hope you guys have a phenomenal day. Good luck with everything, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.